Hey everybody, Jose here with Fit Bodies Unlimited. So today we're going to go over the seated leg extension here. A couple of moving parts. Really, only here is going to be where the padding hits on the front part of the leg. So how overall purpose is to target the quads. So we're going to just kind of get started. You're going to set your weight according to your fitness level. You're going to have a seat. Make sure you seat it nice and firm, nice and upright and erect. Backside of the leg should be right here at this padding. Grab onto the handles to provide that firm base. And the simple movement on here is you're gonna just go ahead and get your feet set. You're gonna extend up, extend, hold, and then slowly release. Every motion is gonna be in a controlled motion here. So movement here is gonna be just up, hold, and then back down. All right, so there is a couple of variations to this depending on what you're trying to target. You can set your feet position with either toes out, toes straight, or toes in to focus on certain parts of the quads if you'd like. Aside from that, this is pretty much the basics on the leg extension. Once again, sit nice and tall and erect, leg extend out, and then control it back down. Stay tuned for more videos from Fit Bodies Unlimited.